He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. He's some kind of cool when the season is Yule. He boogies away while he pulls on his sleigh. He's some kind of fun, and his moves are divine. He boogies a lot with the rhythm he's got. You know Dasher and Dancer, Prancer and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, but do you know Blitzen? Do you know Blitzen? He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. He's a boogie woogie reindeer, and he boogies all day. Well, he's a